Out they come. Main sponsor of the track this summer is O'Reilly Auto Parts. Give them a big hand. They're a great sponsor at the track. Next time you need your car worked on, got something wrong with it, then go by there, check them out. They'll have the part at a very good price. You'll be fixed up in no time and back in operation. Track 5 for the final heat race in the junior division. Wesley Cook, pardon me, in the 111. Problem, has the infield. Taylor to 71. Out in front. Taylor, of course, won the first heat race this evening in the junior division. Looks like she plans on making it through in a row. Taylor Ricky in the purple number 71 is your leader. He gets the white flag. Dave Maddox out of Holcomb in the 44X car, rookie driver. There's the checks for the young lady in the purple car, Taylor Ricky. So far, a clean sweep in the